When your side hustle starts to make money, there are reporting requirements. You have to report your earnings if they are $600 or more per the Internal Revenue Service. The laws on earnings reporting are clear. If you anticipate generating thousands or tens of thousands of dollars a year from your side hustle, take the time to learn about business formation. When you set up a business, you enable additional tax write-off opportunities that will allow you to keep more money in your pocket. What to do next? Side hustles are exciting and a great way to bring extra money into your bank account every month. Take some time to examine each potential side hustle and do your research. Then choose the side hustle that best fits your life and goals. A side hustle can both complement your primary source of income and eventually grow into something bigger. Leverage the power of side hustles as you work your way toward financial independence.